You are now listening to the number one podcast in Sabah.
Anda sedang mendengar Kinabalu Podcast.
I was gonna rip his heart out. I'm the best ever. I'm the most brutal and vicious and most ruthless champion there's ever been. There's no one to stop me. Praise be to Allah.
Coming to you live from Sabah. This is Kinabalu Podcast.
Baik, podcast ini dibawakan khas kepada anda oleh Sadia, Sabah Human Development and Empowerment Association, Persatuan Pembangunan dan Pemerkasaan Insan Sabah.
Panjang wah.
Ya, panjang wah. Boleh tak?
Boleh.
Ya, kasih Sadia aja lah kan. Okay.
Yeah.
Carry on.
Sadia aims to promote sustainable regional development in the state of Sabah, especially in the growth of its people in various industries through capacity building activities, inclusion and solidarity in general, and to improve the quality of life, especially people in rural areas,
Yes.
as well as to create prospects for the youth and disadvantaged people groups in society.
Follow semua social media mereka dan terus saja ke www.sadia.org hari ini. Now let's pangkis. Hoi.
Tiga lelaki, dua bapa, satu bujang. Podcast pertama paling tidak kurang.
Sama nombor satu yang lain boleh pulang. Info terkini tajuk best paling mana. Si Kado botak janggut lebat tiada lawan. Kenny ketawa boleh sampai pecah syawak. Si Faizal pula bagi punchline lipat awak.
Kami training, kami ranking, jom jadi kawan. Dari yang dekat mari sini jangan jauh. Boleh kasih up, kasih gempa baru jago.
Jokes kami cool, lawak masuk pool. Kadang kami carut sama macam tiga Abdul. Come on everybody, let's move to the beat. Crack the volume up, dengar podcast tidak stupid. Jangan jauh, mari kami bawa. Ciao, bella ciao, ciao, bella ciao.
Yes, selamat kembali ke podcast nombor 1 di Sabah. Saya Ricardo.
Saya Kenny.
Kami dari Kinabalu Podcast, the number one podcast di Sabah, dan bersama-sama dengan kita kali ini with us the Mr. President of Sadia, the main organizer lah juga for today's punya event,
Awesome.
Mr. Arthur Lee.
Hello.
Welcome to the studio, Arthur.
Thank you guys. Thank you for having me.
Kau boleh buka ni kalau kau mau.
Tidak apa.
Boleh Alex macam
Siap
konsert
begini nih. Menyanyi nih.
Tell us, Arthur, tell us what is actually going on right now. What is this?
So today dan yesterday juga. Okay, but especially today kita ada Sabah Jazz International Jazz Day Celebration Edition, di mana kita punya event hari ini ialah an event listed on UNESCO's International Jazz Days.
Oh yes.
Celebration ya, globally. Malam ni kalau boleh pergilah jazzday.com, ada live juga tu global celebration with a lot of artists. Tapi hari ni kita ada Sabah Jazz di Riverson
The Walk, yes.
The Riverson The Walk with Urban Tamu.
Yes, correct.
So it's Urban Tamu X Sabah Jazz. Hari ni kita ada 6 performers dari Sabah. Semua orang-orang Sabah, musician, legend dari Sabah semua.
Yes.
They are performing obviously jazz and its subgenres. Hari ni ada funky jazz, ada soul,
Yes, man.
ada neo soul as well. You know, banyak jazz standard pun ada, swing pun ada. Jadi I think we're gonna have some fun today.
Well, I like the vibe. I like the sound. The Mega Boogie sounds so very good now, man.
Definitely. My man,
nice.
Lazman, Mr. Lazman
Lazman,
is the
shout out to
guy.
Lazman.
Yeah, shout out to Lazman.
Shout out to
He's the itulah dialah orang Mega Boogie ya. Mega Boogie
Mega is the number one here in Sabah lah. That I have to say lah.
definitely.
Sound and light lah.
Hands down.
Yeah. So okay. In conjunction of this actually, what is the tamu again? What the
Urban Tamu. So Urban Tamu ni it's run by a group led by Mr. Andrew Lee and Miss Nancy.
Alright. Oh, I see.
Diorang ni very good team. They do a bi-monthly tamu at Riverson, di mana they feature a lot of arts and craft, artisan, food vendors. You know, food vendors yang bukan hari-hari jual di kedai punya. Jarang-jarang punya.
Rare lah.
Very rare, very beautiful, very delicious as well.
Yes. How many booths they have? I mean this is not our but
I didn't do a count, but from what I heard last, macam ada lebih dari 30 booth di sini.
I see.
Di luar dan di dalam.
Awesome.
Wow, that's a lot of booth for you guys to visit, man.
Yes, of course. So, okay, can you name like macam lineup for today? Just now sudah Aphrodite sudah perform tadi.
Correct. Aphrodite presented by Sabah Institute of Art, baru habis tadi.
Awesome. They're students, right?
They are students.
They don't sound like students, man.
Very tight. I think Kado is a musician. He knows. Memang very tight to me. Saya pun surprise tadi.
Oh man, international
Saya
man.
pun surprise.
Awesome, man.
Very level very tinggi ya.
Alright.
And then next up we have Neo Juice. Neo Juice presented by yours truly, Kinabalu Podcast.
They're set upping right now.
They're doing setup right now on stage. They're gonna do a line line check, and then lepas tu I think they're gonna bring some neo soul sound, very new sound.
Wow. New jazz sound lah.
Correct.
Yes.
And then lepas tu kita ada jazz and the Deaf Cats. These guys are legend lah. Let's put it that way lah. Sudah di TV semua juga. Lepas tu ada Monochromes ya. Monochromes ni bekas-bekas UMS, alumni UMS.
Okay.
And then after that we have Angelica Laura, very talented young lady, beautiful guitar singing player.
Wow. Singer-songwriter.
And our highlight for today, kita punya yours and truly Blue Note Band.
Yes.
Blue Note Band ya.
Ni legend ni, lama sudah in the industry.
Legend. Diorang ni sudah perform. I think end of this year they are invited to perform at Borneo Jazz Fest in Miri this year as well.
Awesome, man.
They're going places lah.
Okay, let's just talk about Sadia itself.
Yes, please.
Since you're the president of Sadia.
Yes.
So what is Sadia, by the way, in general?
Basically what we want to do is we want to become the mediator atau orang tengah between the communities, various communities in Sabah dengan authorities ya, dengan badan-badan kerajaan yang lain-lain lah. Katakan ada orang-orang susah, community-community yang susah, atau mungkin diorang perlukan lebih pertolongan dari segi development atau dari segi empowering diorang punya manpower di sana kan, diorang punya skill set, this kind of thing. Kami akan tolong, tapi kita tidak tolong betul-betul just like that. Kita akan minta tolong dari badan-badan kerajaan
yang sepatutnya.
So kita mediate, kita jadi middle person, orang tengah.
So we guide them and try atur jalan dorang lah.
Betul. Yes, kita kasih. Kalau dorang ada kesusahan atau ada challenges atau ada sedikit yang tidak cukup, kita bantu.
Yes. So as for now, berapa lama sudah Sadia?
Sadia,
what is the achievement as we speak?
Sadia has been doing this past 2 years. Oh man, I think we have done a lot. Kita sudah bantu family members B40, golongan B40 di Pitas. Kita bagi laptop, second hand laptop, used laptop, brand new laptops, kita bantu dorang. And then kita bantu food baskets, barang dapur di rata-rata Sabah. Di Tambunan ada, Keningau ada, Ranau ada. We do that, all that. Tapi bukan dari hasil kami, kita minta orang lain bagi. Itu sajalah. And a few more events lah.
Banyak kan?
So many.
And also macam sub event we support, Sadia support and everything pun banyak. I think the first Jazz Fest, the Jazz last year was also
yes, correct. 2019 kita buat di Sutera Avenue, itu yang besar betul. Sekarang kita downscale sikit sebab kita ikut permintaan rakyat lah.
Rakyat political sikit. But I think 2019 masih belum PKP kan, so belum ada all the virus, belum lagi
lah. Itu ditiadakan.
Orang masih mau keluar, you know. That's really the way lah.
Okay, what do you expect out of this Jazz Fest? What is going on right now, especially the listeners or the people, the viewers?
We have a few objectives obviously for Sabah Jazz. Some of the objective dorang punya hala tuju, the objectives are ditujukan kepada communities. We educate them, we tell them that mungkin ada yang cakap jazz, kami tidak minat jazz, tapi sebenarnya di hari-hari dorang dengar jazz ni. Dorang masuk kedai bakery, dorang dengar bossa nova, jazz juga, hip shock juga dorang, tapi dorang tidak tahu itu ialah jazz.
Dorang pergi dorang dengar Tulus, dorang tahu Tulus is a jazz singer.
Also a jazz singer. Afgan pun jazz.
I didn't know.
Yes.
See, I'm here, so I know.
Correct. And the other aspect ialah untuk musician Sabah, untuk dorang ada platform yang lebih banyak lah, lebih banyak platform, lebih banyak exposure. Get them to have their profile. Hari ini macam saya nampak macam ada lebih 100 photographers hari ini.
Yes.
This will elevate.
Influencers also came.
It will elevate ini semua ni performance dia. Correct. Jadi it's throwing what do you call this, so many stones
and many birds.
Many birds.
Betul.
God's work.
I think I agree, because having this kind of platforms bagi banyak orang yang orang talented ni to have their stepstones lah.
Correct.
I think this is what we should do in the next future juga.
Correct.
Having a begini punya stage, tapi to call up the locals first before outsiders.
Betul.
Yeah, man.
That's what we try to do lah. Hopefully lah.
Well, okay. Thank you so much, Mr. Arthur.
No problem.
I think that's about it on you. Kau akan diperlukan sudah.
Saya diperlukan sudah di konsol.
So thank you so much, Arthur. Thank you so much
for both of them. Thank you, guys.
Alright, thank you so much.
Thank you, Arthur.
Scientific English.
Okay, man. So I think meanwhile kasih Kenny.
Yeah, we're back.
Yeah, we're back. Hi guys. Hi everyone. So tadi atas sudah cerita apa tu Sadia and apa itu, what is the project? I mean, what is orang punya aim to be the mediator, to be the medium in between the youth and also the government, youth to the some institusi yang boleh membantu talent and ataupun memperkasakan modal insan di modal insan lah kita.
Modal insan lah kau.
Terus tinggal satu kita punya viewers kalau modal insan tu cerita.
Tambah, guys. Tambah. You need to use more of those words.
Oh, okay.
I'll add one lah. They are doing God's work.
Oh yeah.
Diorang membuat kerja Tuhan. Because for me, saya rasa Sabah dia ada juga this kind of medium, especially Sadia, but we don't know about them. So this kind of exposure, like the Jazz Day today, it's not just to promote jazz and local jazz musicians and talents and all that. It is also to shout out to the locals that we exist.
Yeah, and we are that good.
Yeah, that good. Yeah. I mean, look at this, guys. TikTok. Look at this, guys.
Apa yang membelakang tu, yang kasih belakang?
No, I mean we can organize event like this, and it looks international, man. And the sounds are international as well.
And it's very cozy, man. It's very Havana. It's very macam mana orang cakap apa?
I don't feel like I'm in Sabah, bro.
Yeah. Feel like I'm in Singapore, man. I feel like I'm in Singapore a bit lah.
New Zealand ada with the feel. It's summer feel. Summer feel lah. Not as humid as this lah.
Yeah, ini saya so humid. Ketiak saya pun basah dah lah.
Yeah, more Rexona ni lah. They don't sponsor us lah.
Yeah lah. Aku pakai Rexona.
Aduh.
Saya pakai Good Virtue. Kira kita cerita pasal deodorant lah kan.
What the heck, man?
Well, we gonna apa orang bilang kasih hibur kamu dengan Neo Jazz because the Neo Juice ni is presented by Kinabalu Podcast and a few more. But diorang ni present music yang neo lah, urban neo, experimental jazz.
Tell me in short, what is neo jazz?
You will see in a bit. Playing safe. Kira jawapan yang paling safe untuk saya takut saya malu dan salah lah. Well, neo is something very urban and experimental lah. That's what I have to say.
I see.
And laid back a bit, tapi they're very groovy juga, stuff like that lah.
Is it like a mix of...
Erykah Badu is new jazz. So Erykah Badu, you listen to Erykah Badu. So Erykah Badu is new jazz.
So when people talk about lo-fi, is it like neo jazz as well?
Yes,
it is, right?
Yes, tapi bukan yang the dance lo-fi lah.
Yes.
Yeah, lo-fi kebanyakan the coding is very new jazz codings,
We're talking about progression naman kan?
Yeah.
And like how they... I'm not a musician, so I don't know.
I think you get it, but just how to explain it is hard lah.
Yeah.
I understand. Yes, correct. What's in your mind is true.
Okay.
I checked it.
You know.
Yeah, no. It's link and connect lah.
Yeah, Wi-Fi lah.
Yeah.
Wi-Fi.
So awesome, everyone. Thank you so much yang ada sama-sama kami dari tadi lagi. Probably the third part we're not gonna do live. I don't know. We just gonna see how it goes lah. Because battery sekarang tinggal 43. The battery tinggal 43. So we're gonna charge dulu untuk third part. Kita refresh dulu in a bit.
Hi Brian.
Siapa?
My friend Zen. Tadi lah.
But thank you producer masih ada sini. It's boleh juga ni kalau dorang mau turun. I mean kalau you wanna bring Nana come down, Ingrid turun, I think should be no problem duduk sini. And I think she gonna likes running here and there.
Yeah.
It's a safe area juga.
Paling pun it's hot lah.
It's hot. Tapi it's very close bah. I mean turun saja lah. I mean let me know if you guys coming down.
Yeah.
Let's enjoy they can sit with us, no problem. Pasal Ariana yang podcast.
Nya.
Lollipop. Nyanyi lagi. Ayo pop.
She's cute, man.
So tadi pagi my wife suka kasih tease my daughter lah, macam dia mau pukul, macam my wife macam mau pukul Mila, pukul saya lah konon macam yang gitu kan. Mami ni if police come how dia bilang.
If police come.
Yeah.
Smart girl.
Tapi masalah dia iyalah betul lah, iyalah orang-orang yang buat jahat, orang bilang kalau by narrative adalah ditangkap oleh polis lah kan.
Iyalah report polis lah.
Tapi if police come dia bilang how dia bilang
Catch you. Udah.
Bodoh.
Ya. Lepas tu si Ned masih lagi yang kasih gitu-gitu kan. Terus dia menangis sudah.
Allah.
Dia marah lah. Dia marah. We used to do that lah. I think tapi it's getting really hot now.
It's getting really hot. Hey, they added one umbrella. Did you notice?
Oh yeah. They added
it's so hot, man.
Yeah, they added one more umbrella here.
But then the downside is they blocked the big huge ass fan.
Yeah. But I think I prefer the shade instead of
I prefer the shade.
the direct sunlight lah.
Yeah.
Kan? Tapi yang duduk sana dia kira dia chill in like macam in Florida lah yang sana kena matahari tu kan.
Tengah 10 lah kan. Tengah 10.
but it is what it is, man. You want to get a glimpse of not to say free performance lah, but you have to by all means, man. Kalau panas kena panas lah. And it's free but quality performance bah.
Yes, and make sure you go to the booth, grab something to eat,
man. Correct,
and then sit down. Let's chill.
Yes, correct.
Chill, guys.
Yeah, but I like the sound. It sounds so good, man. New Bungi Boogie punya sound system is so awesome, man. Yes, correct. Yeah.
But
producer cakap apa?
Then I said, kenapa you kasih takut Ingrid dengan polis? You ingat dia tiada IC kalau muda.
Yeah. Why you put the narrative like that to Ingrid? Dia bilang macam polis. Dia kenapa? Akhirnya tiada IC kan?
Indoctrinate kan ni.
Betul juga kan. Funny. Oh, diorang masih lagi sound check sekarang. Neo Juice ni, I would really love to hear how their sounds like. Because nama pun very cool lah, Neo Juice kan.
Neo Juice, man.
Yeah.
It's New Juice.
Kita sponsor diorang, but we don't know them.
What the heck, man?
but it's okay. It is what it is. Thank you to Sadia for hooking us up with them.
Yeah, man.
Yeah. So ada sudah datang ramai sekarang. I think people here. I think more than 100 packs of people.
There's
more than
a
100
whole lot of
packs
people
right now here. I think a lot of performers, family, friends juga ada di sini. And I believe yang all the music lovers are here lah.
I believe so.
And also this is audio content, so we cannot do so much of visual.
Yeah, betul lah. But if you're on TikTok, you're lucky lah.
You're lucky.
You're lucky lah.
Around. Macam mana mau kasih banyak viewers TikTok pada pukul 12 tengah hari ni ya? 1 tengah hari ya?
Ya.
Kasih kamu share pergi mana? Status kamu. Juga kamu share di status kamu. Status kamu yang ada upload ataupun share di mana? Status TikTok dan status WhatsApp and also status Facebook. I don't know.
Status YouTube.
Status yang benci Liverpool, grup benci Liverpool.
Pembenci menu.
No. MU forever, man.
Arsenal paling neutral lah kan.
Si Nelson dengar Aduh, Nelson come here have a seat. Mari kita cerita pasal music lah. Come Nelson, come here. Jangan kau nervous, come. Kita cerita pasal drumming industry lah. Come bro.
We're trying to get
si Nelson,
some of our good friends come over.
Our listeners lah. Okay. Kita kasih bagi sikit vibe lah. Kamu dengar lah Neo Juice right now. Kasih flip the camera. I'm gonna switch on the mic. Let them listen. Okay.
Awesome.
Live on our Spotify.
Yeah.
Live on TikTok and live on recording lah. There you go.
Zoom in. Still testing. Okay.
Lah masih testing rupanya. Okay lah. Never mind lah. Switch off back the mic lah.
Yeah. So switch it back to us lah.
Switch us to us back lah.
Listen to us first lah.
Yalah. Suara kami.
Muka kami Sean.
Kau kasih zoom tadi tu lah. Nampak tu di ujung sudah kau. Jatuh nanti tu.
Okay.
Kasih zoom out.
Zoom. Yeah.
So scary, man. It's so scary, man. It's iPhone 14, man.
Yeah. 12 plus 2.
For 2 weeks lah. 2 weeks lah. I give Kenny. Nah, sudah dorang. Dia on. So kamu dengar lah live here. Kami bagi kamu sikit lah. Even though the sound is not that good, but I think you can hear the vibe lah. Alright guys.
Just vibe with us, man. Let's go, man.
Yes, let's go.
Flip it.
Yeah, man. Okay. So I'm gonna switch on the general mic for you guys to listen to the Neo Juice. Everyone, present you Neo Juice. Okay, let's go. Saya diam-diam dulu, kamu dengar dulu
Before Ned bilang Ingrid pop pupu right now. Maybe we're coming down right after.
Okay.
Sila.
Always a good sign kalau dia pupu sebenarnya, because kami terus boleh kasih mandi dia.
Right.
Tapi kadang-kadang mau pergi sekolah dalam kereta sudah dia mau pupu. Sudah twice lah. Begitu twice sudah.
So you have to like rush back.
Net lah. Masa mau jalan di garage.
Oh man.
Okay guys, enjoy Neo Juice. Wow. This is new. you listen.
We're gonna put our mic down and just listen to the vibe right now. It's by Neil Juice.
Alright guys, okay lah. Okay, it's awesome music man. Seriously, you guys have to come. We're gonna take a short break, of course, right after this. Kita akan kembali ke third part, tapi kami akan break a bit lama sikit untuk third part ni. Kami pergi scout untuk bukan mau merokok. Anda bagus orang merokok di sebenarnya. Tidak bagus But we're gonna take a short break. We'll be right back right after this. Of course, pelajar kami dalam podcast kali ini dibawakan khas kepada anda oleh Sadia Sabah Human Development and Empowerment Association, Persatuan Pembangunan dan Pemurkasan Insan Sabah.
Wait. Okay. Sadia aims to promote sustainable regional development in the state of Sabah, especially in the growth of its people in various industries through capacity building activities, inclusion and solidarity in general, and to improve the quality of life, especially people in the rural areas, as well as to create prospects for the youth and disadvantaged groups in society.
Yes, correct. Untuk mengetahui dengan lebih lanjut lagi, kamu boleh follow semua social media mereka dan terus saja ke www.sadia.org hari ini. Jangan ke mana-mana, kita akan kembali selepas ini.
Hello everyone, my name is Syed Saddiq. You are listening to Kinabalu Podcast, the number one podcast in Sabah.